Hey judges, it's Robert, Recipe Costing Software. In this video, we're showing how to get cost and build nutritional labels on the fly. Let's get started by logging in and authenticating with Squareup. This will take you to the Square authentication page. Enter your username and password to make the connection. Once the menu appears on the left-hand side, the syncing is complete. Recipe Costing will pull your location, category, and items automatically, so there's no need to sync again. The menu items page contains all the synced menu items from Square. Here's where you'll begin to build out your cost. The data grid will list all the sync items from Square. Select one of the hyperlinked menu items to go to the menu items detail page. Right now we're going to enter items for our banana nut pancake. To save time, I've already entered the ingredients. I put in exactly what I needed, and now what I want to do is go back after I save to the data grid. Right from within the data grid, all you have to do is select banana nut pancake and click on the nutritional label. This will instantly give you a label based on the items that you've entered. The recipe page contains all the recipes that can be used within menu items. Additionally, recipes can contain sub-recipes, and they can also drill into the menu items. From the recipe summary page, I will select pancake mix in-house. This takes me to the recipe details page where I define my recipe yield and enter the food items that make up the recipe. Like the menu item page, the recipe page also can create nutritional labels on the fly. More importantly, the values from the recipe can be incorporated within the menu items. Let's take a look on how we can take these values and pull them into a menu item. I'm going to click on Nutella pancakes, and right here I'm going to call that recipe. We'll select pancake mix in-house, and we're going to use 4 ounces. We're going to save it, and we're going to add Nutella. And we're going to select 1 ounce and save. Once we're done, we'll save it. We'll select it from the data grid, click on the nutritional label, and you'll see that we have pulled in not only our recipe ingredients, we also pulled in the Nutella values to give us these nutritional facts. The final piece is costing. Go to Purveyor Vendors item page. The software has built a food order guide of all ingredients used in your sub-recipes, recipes, and menu items. I created a vendor called Cisco by entering the name of my vendor in the Select Purveyor Vendor text box. To save time, I have already entered all the values of my items below. Now that we have entered our cost in the vendor item page, let's review the recipe and menu items. The recipe data grid now shows the cost of the recipe, and drilling down into the recipe will give us more costing details. The same is done on the menu item page. The data grid shows us a summary cost, and drilling into the menu item will give us more costing details. This concludes our demo, and just to wrap up, operators can now get their cost on recipes, menu items, scale, and create nutritional labels on the fly. Thanks for watching and allowing us to be part of this hackathon.